Hi there. Quite often I hear from startups questions: should we work with the agency or should we hire a freelance to launch our PPC campaigns and paid ads? And based on the work experience that I had, I would definitely advise you working with a freelancer. And have nothing against with agency, but when it comes to freelancer versus agency, a freelancer is a dedicated person where you work one-on-one to deliver your goals, and that person is focused on delivering that result because he or she is owning the project, is the only person who is responsible for that and is responsible for his or her reputation, while the agency is a team who is accountable, but at the end no one is accountable.